Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are on project number 3 with the Spooky Treats September 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So we need a white box base. We need the Fresh Freesia sleeve. We need a Bats banner on the pumpkin pie. And we also need one of the scalloped circle pieces. We need the trick or treat die, and we need the stamp and the Bats stamp. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is build the box. And as usual, the outside flaps, the outer edge comes back towards you. So all the outer edges come back towards you. The rest fold in on themselves. You don't have to fold them really hard or get the bone folder out or anything. They just fold up really nicely together. So, okay. So now to build the box, you just take the short sides, tabs in or flaps in, and push those pieces down. A little harder to see on this because there's no differentiation in color. Then you take the short side with the little slot in it and fold it down. You mind your tabs are still visible. Then you take the long side, fold it up and over, and then you push this piece down until that notch snaps into the slot, and there is your sleeve or your box. Let's work on the sleeve. Okay, we need our Orchid Oasis Stampin' Spot. We are going to ink up our bats, and we are going to stamp a set of bats in the top corner, like that, and a set of bats in the bottom corner, like this. Then we're going to take our Trick or Treat stamp. We're going to ink it up really, 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 really well. And then we are going to stamp it down on our scalloped circle. Now, on my paper here, you can see I've already stamped these. I am having super duper technical difficulties today with with my camera. So I have done these many times today. The next thing we need to do is we need to take and put adhesive dots on the back of the banner with the bats on it. So we're just going to go ahead and put those adhesive dots down. And that one was just, that's the adhesive dot right there. Okay, so now we need some dimensionals on the back of the greeting. And we're going to take this piece and we're going to pop it down right in the middle of the front. Okay, and then we're going to peel the dimensional backings off. Wow, these ones, they just do not want to come off. There we go. Just have to get them at the right angle and then they're fine. There we go. Okay, now we are going to pop this down over top of the banner. Just center it, pop it down like that. We're going to take one large star and pop it down at the bottom like that. We're going to take 2 small stars. We're going to put one at the top like that and one with the bats right there. Then we're going to take some tear tape and we're going to put it along the edge, not right at the score line, but pretty close to it. Then I'm just going to kind of fold these just to give them a little bit of help. Then I'm going to peel the backing off here. I'm going to put the sleeve in, fold this up around the sleeve. Short side needs to go in first, and then we overlap it with the longer side, make sure we're square, and then we stick it down like that. And there is the third project in the September 2022 Spooky Treats Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for an alternate project.